where it's all a matter for India and Pakistan to sort out. And of course, to a large degree, it is, because they are the principal players involved. But what I've tried to say to government over many years, and the parliamentarians are saying, is that I feel that we have an historical responsibility from the legacy that we created this. We left this behind, and therefore there is responsibility on this country to at least try and bring about a resolution. And what we have at the moment is horrendous human rights violations going on in Kashmir. We all know about that. I won't spend a long time going on, but we all know about the terrible human rights violations. And that, to me, is the number one priority at the moment. The curfew, the human rights violations, the deaths, the terrible injuries that young people, well, all people are suffering in Kashmir. We need to bring an immediate end to that, and peace as far as a peaceful, normal situation, and as far as it can be normal in Kashmir. So I'm very grateful that you brought this about. I look forward to receiving your comments on it later on. Thank you very much to all those who attended, particularly those who travelled a long way to be here today.
Thank you. Can I just invite our commentators?
Can I say, first of all, a very warm welcome to the House of Commons. The lobby is a very justified one, and it's quite right that we should make every possible effort to get justice in Kashmir. I offer my apologies. I hope I'm not in any way being discourteous, but unless one's in one's seat downstairs when the Prime Minister reports on the European summit, there's no chance of being called. But I'm very pleased to repeat myself that you've come today. You're most welcome. There's no guarantee, there's never any guarantee in any campaign that one will win. But if you persist, if you make this, as has been indicated, an issue that to a large extent dominates foreign policy matters and always raised at every opportunity by members of Parliament, at least is making progress. One recognises the injustice which exists in Kashmir, and I wish the campaign every possible success. Thank you for inviting me.